Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video by Star Health. I'm Shivani Kandwal, a clinical dietitian and diabetes educator. Today, we are going to talk about something that's become quite a buzzword in the world of nutrition, superfoods. You have probably seen the term everywhere, but what exactly is a superfood? And more importantly, is it worth the hype? Let's dive in. So, what is a superfood? The term superfood isn't a scientific term, it's more of a marketing label. But generally, it refers to food that are exceptionally high in nutrients, especially compared to the calories they provide. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other compounds that can support your health. For example, spinach isn't just a leafy green, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. A cup of raw spinach contains about 7 calories, but it also provides 56% of your daily vitamin A needs, 181% of vitamin K, and a healthy dose of folate and iron. Superfoods are like nutritional multitaskers. They offer a lot of benefits in a small package. But remember, no single food can provide you everything your body needs. A healthy diet is all about balance and variety. Now, what makes a superfood super? It's actually about the concentration of nutrients and their potential health benefits. So let's see now. Number 1, they are high in antioxidants. Many superfoods are rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. For example, blueberries, they're packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and anthocyanins, which have been linked to lower the risk of heart disease and cancer. Number 2, they're usually rich in fiber. See, fiber is crucial for digestive health, and many superfoods like chia seeds, oats, they're excellent sources of fiber. A diet high in fiber can help you lower cholesterol levels, control blood sugar, and keep you full for a longer period of time. Number 3, they're packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Superfoods are often loaded with vitamins and minerals that support overall health. For example, if you see sweet potatoes, they're actually rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts it into vitamin A, a nutrient essential for vision, immune function, and skin health. Number 4, potential health benefits. Some superfoods have been linked to specific health benefits. For example, turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, contains curcumin, which may help reduce the symptoms of arthritis and support heart health. These foods are super because they offer more nutritional bang for your buck. But again, they're not the magic bullets. Eating a wide variety of food is key to getting all the nutrients you need. Now, let's talk about the 10 superfoods you should include in your diet, especially focusing on Indian superfoods that are not only nutritious but also easily accessible and doesn't burn a hole in your pocket. So number 1 on the list is turmeric. First up is turmeric. It's been used in Indian cooking and Ayurveda for thousands of years. The active compound curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Studies suggest that curcumin may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Just add a pinch of turmeric to your curry, soup, or even warm water and have it every day along with a little black pepper into it for better absorption of curcumin. Number 2 in the list is amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. Amla is one of the richest sources of vitamin C. One small amla contains as much as vitamin C as 20 oranges. Imagine. Now, vitamin C is essential for immune function, skin health, and even iron absorption for that matter. You can eat amla raw in a chutney or in the juice form. Number 3, moringa, also known as drumstick. See, moringa leaves are incredibly nutritious. It's like nature's own multivitamin with high levels of vitamins like vitamin A, C, calcium, and protein. They are also rich in antioxidants, so you can add moringa powder to your smoothies or use fresh leaves in soup and stir fries. Number 4, our favorite ghee. Yes, ghee makes to the list. Ghee is rich in fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, D, E, and K, and it also contains conjugated linoleic acid, which has been linked to fat loss and better heart health. But remember, moderation is the key. Use a small spoonful to add flavor and nutrition to your meal. Number 5 is coconut. Coconut is a versatile superfood. Coconut is hydrating, rich in electrolytes, while coconut oil contains MCTs, which are also known as medium chain triglycerides, which actually provide you quick energy and support brain health. Coconut is also great for your skin and your hair health. Number 6 is ragi, which is also known as finger millet. So ragi is gluten-free. It is rich in calcium, iron and fiber. It is excellent for your bone health and it can also help you to control your blood sugar levels. See, ragi can be also used to make, porridges, rotis or even baked goods for that matter. Number 7 in the list is rajma, kidney beans. And I know we all love it, right? But rajma is actually high in protein, fiber, iron, making it a great plant-based protein source. It's also packed with antioxidant. And you know what? When you take a bowl of rajma chawal, it's not just comforting, but also incredibly nutritious. Number 8 on the list are chia seeds. We must have heard a lot about it, right? Chia seeds are tiny, but they're mighty. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and also protein. Just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds contain about 5 grams of fiber. You can add them to your smoothies, your yogurt, or even make chia puddings out of it. They're really delicious and you must try them. Number 9 on the list are sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which is converted in vitamin A in our body. They're also high in fiber and have lower glycemic index than regular potatoes, making them a great option for controlling blood sugar levels and for diabetic patients. So do try it this winter season. And number 10 on the list is spinach, or palak, which we really enjoy a lot. But spinach is a nutritional powerhouse. It's rich in iron, calcium, magnesium, and vitamins A and C. Incorporating spinach in your diet can help you with everything from improving your vision to boosting your immune system. Incorporating these superfoods in your diet can provide you with a wide range of nutrients and health benefits. But remember, it's all about balance. Superfood should complement a well-rounded diet and not replace other healthy foods. So, is the superfood trend worth it? Absolutely, but with a catch. No single food can do it all. But when you incorporate these nutrient-dense foods into a balanced diet, they can definitely give your health a super boost. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Star Health's channel for more insights into healthy living. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite superfood. See you next time.